Brought to you by
Pearl Marina Estates, Garuga, where luxury meets lifestyle by the water.
In the world of premium real estate, there is no moment quiet like the handover. It is the exact point where a massive complex construction site transforms into an intimate living sanctuary. For months, this ground has been a symphony of concrete mixers, steel reinforcement, and intense engineering precision. But today, the heavy machinery is gone, the dust has settled, and the keys are ready. As we look at the gorgeous architecture of the Riviera estate, we are witnessing a milestone. Today we are sitting down with Excel Construction to talk about what it takes to cross the finish line and successfully hand over a multi-million-dollar waterfront dream to the final owners. Tonny Lumbuye,
yes,
the project manager from Excel Construction. Good to have you on the show.
Thank you so much.
And congratulations on having this project completed.
Thank you so much.
Now, Tonny, we know that a successful handover is the ultimate test of a contractor's precision.
Right.
I think you agree with me.
Yes.
Now, for a magnitude of such a project, a high-end premium Riviera townhouses,
yes,
and you've successfully completed it. Now, doing your final snags and walkthroughs of these particular townhouses, what are the benchmarks that Excel Construction looks at as they deliver such a project?
The project starts from its inception, and we look at so many things.
Yeah.
What does the client want? When does the client want whatever they want? So when the client specifies we want this in this period of time, 1 year, 2 years, we make sure that we deliver the project in that record time. There is a lot of quality that has been considered during execution of this project. Each and every material that has been used on this project has been tested.
Our Riviera houses are now complete. This has been the baby of our phase one.
Yeah.
So we are very excited about closing this chapter and opening a new one. What is the value proposition of buying in a community as opposed to buying as a standalone?
Yeah.
What you get here is a big array of benefits that ultimately impact the value of your property. One, you're in a community, and you have a lot of common shared space, so which means you also have access to bigger and better facilities, well maintained, because the value of a property can only be sustained and can only grow if it is taken care of and
well
nurtured.
maintained over the years.
Exactly.
When someone gets property on the lake or along the lake shore, they expect to benefit from that presence or that proximity of the lake.
Yeah.
So they want to live with the lake.
Yes.
They want all the experiences of the context of the lake to be part of their homes, to be part of their buildings. So they want as much view of the lake.
Yes.
They want to enjoy the cool breeze that blows over the lake.
True.
And also the environment, so that they can be able to associate with those benefits of the lake.
Yeah.
So when you're designing, you then want to allow as many of those elements into the spaces internally, okay? So you want large windows for people to be able to view. You want to capture as much breeze into the internal spaces as possible. Yes. So we had to use large openings.
Architect, how did you manage the lakefront risk in design? Because many of us, when they buy lakefront land, or why many shun away from buying lakefront land, is that very risk. How will I design against the lake?
Yes. Yeah, and now you see that there's benefits to these elements of living around the lake, but there's also challenges. These elements pose. So from experience, because this is about the fourth product that we've worked with this developer on, and there are lessons that we've learned. So even the sizing of the aluminium profiles has to be very cognizant of the wind loads that these houses are going to be subjected to. And then the most outstanding or the most significant challenge is the lake flies. But I think ideally you need to learn to live with these lake flies, okay? And maybe what helps or how you can respond in terms of architecture is by the colors that you use on the building. So if you have a very white house, when these lake flies come and station, on your house, then it becomes very, very glaring.
Yeah.
Okay, so when you have these muted colors, these neutral colors, yes, there are lake flies even on these walls, but because of the color, they are not that
able to be neutralized.
Yes, they are neutralized. So those are some of the things that you need to look at.
I think we have got an example of how one should live in an organized, nice, eco and nature-friendly environment. We've also seen some interesting architecture and how it is possible to have estates that have nice roads, nice flowers, nice fencing. So I think the impact is really felt visually, but maybe even more importantly, people have come, they've settled, they live here, so they integrate with the local community. They have employees from the local community. They now spend within the community. So there is impact on a daily basis, and it is being felt.
Now let's look at the defect liability period.
Yes.
As Excel, what's the policy? Do you support the client after constructing this premium project? How do you ensure maintenance, support all through the defect liability period and even after?
We give a guarantee of 1 year monitoring. For that period of 1 year, we are very sure that if anything doesn't happen for that period of 1 year, it is most likely not going to happen.
A handover isn't just the end of a build, it's the beginning of a legacy. It's the moment engineering turns into lifestyle and bricks turn into a home. For Property 360, I'm Wilberforce in Samba.
Brought to you by Pearl Marina Estates, Garuga, where luxury meets lifestyle by the water.